Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Louisville, where we talk all things outdoor living. I am your host from Deck Builders Louisville, and today we are talking about safe, solid deck railings and what many homeowners overlook. Railings are more than just a finishing touch. On elevated decks, they are a key safety system that protects everyone using the space. Good railings should feel firm when you lean on them, have proper height, and the spaces between balusters should be tight enough to help keep children and pets safe. When railings feel loose or flimsy, people notice right away, and it reduces confidence in the whole deck. One of the biggest mistakes we see is rail posts that are only attached to surface boards instead of being firmly connected to the deck frame. Over time, that kind of attachment can loosen, especially with weather and regular use. A properly built deck ties railing posts into the framing members with the right hardware so the system can handle real-world loads. Next is material choice. Wood railings can match a wood deck nicely, but they require regular maintenance just like wood decking. Many homeowners now choose metal or composite railing systems to reduce upkeep. For example, pairing a composite deck with a coordinating composite or aluminum railing, similar to combinations used with TimberTech products, creates a low-maintenance package that looks clean and holds up well. These systems are designed to work together, which helps with both strength and appearance. Details on stairs matter just as much. Graspable handrails, solid posts, and correct spacing on the stair railing all add to safety. Small additions like rail-mounted lights or post cap lights can also make nighttime use more comfortable and reduce the risk of trips or missteps. At Deck Builders Louisville, we pay close attention to railings because a deck is only as safe as its weakest part. You can reach our team at 502-677-4691 or visit toughdeckbuilderslouisville.com to learn more about our deck construction services and railing options. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Louisville. When you plan your next deck or renovation, remember that solid, well-built railings are not the place to cut corners.